All right, all right. So when it comes to making money, whether online, offline, anyhow, right? You have to sell something. Okay, so there is no hiding that something must be sold for you to make money. And in this world where we have over how many? 7 or even going to 8 billion people. So your own is to be able to reach some few people that you are going to sell to. And once you can sell to somebody, then you start making money. Right? Now a lot of people have phobia on selling. They don't want to be selling, you know. They are shy. Maybe they feel, people just feel somehow when it comes to trying to sell something to somebody. It's weird, but when you look at it, somebody is selling you something every minute, every second, right? And that is true. So you go to the store, you are sold, right? You are hungry, you went to the restaurant, you are sold. They give you the menu, they put the posters out there for their restaurant, and they offer you all these services, and you are sold, and you have to buy, and you have to pay. So that's how life is. You can't change it, right? Whether you like it or not, it doesn't matter. whether you like to sell or you don't like to sell, it doesn't matter. The way the world is structured, if you don't like to sell, somebody will still sell something to you and you are going to buy. And the way they put the advertisements out there, you are even going to be the one rushing to buy. And that's what we want, right? Now, when I put out a topic like how you can make money online without recruiting, without selling, and then you are like thinking, how is that possible? When there is no way something must be sold. It doesn't really matter. It may not be sold to you, but it's going to be sold to somebody else. And that's the only way you can make money, right? There is no other way. We've tried so many things. Like some people go and invest in stock trading and so on, trying to dodge the selling. Now, you may dodge the selling, but somebody else is going to sell for you. And that is how you make the money, right? It doesn't matter what it is. Somebody else is going to sell for you. So if you invest in stock trading or crypto trading or whatever thing you invest in, when you invest in it, what it means is that as you make money, somebody else is losing money, right? So it's just the nature of things. Somebody must buy your stock or your crypto for you to make money. Right? That's just it. So well, you can keep your phobia. That's not what I want to talk about. But I just want to explain some few things that can make you money. Even when you don't like to recruit, you don't like to sell, this is great. Now, what is that thing? Let's talk about online store, right? Now, when you look at Amazon, you look at Walmart, Target, whatever, Lidl, or, whatever. There are so many supermarkets out there that are doing very well. And now they have all gone online, right? So that you can just stay in your room or you're on your phone and make an order. And I see what my wife does, right? Whenever she wants to order things from Walmart, she's just on her phone and she orders whatever she needs in the house. And that is all. And then you know how it goes. It's all sent to her. So that is where the new generation is going to, right? You want to have a store out there, your own, you want to have your own online store where people go and they just, decide what products they want to buy and they just buy and that's all. And then you just make money, right? If you have been watching my videos in the past, you see that, I just keep getting all these sales coming in, right? Because I have an online store. And you too can have an online store today. What we call an automated online store. You know, what it means automated is that you don't have to do literally nothing on the store, right? It's fully done for you. All the follow-ups are done for you. All the sales are done for you. You know, so somebody else sells for you. Somebody else does everything for you, right? So that's the kind of store you want. So the store that I'm showing, or at least telling you right now, except you go to my YouTube channel, there you see how it works, right? But the store that I'm talking about is called the $7 Mega Link online store. Now, why is this unique? And why is it just $7? Now, it's $7 so that everybody in the world can afford it, right? So that everybody in the world can have their own online store, okay? So that's why it's just $7. And it's a one-time payment, so you don't have to worry about monthly fees with this online store system. Now, the store has over 20 different products. Now, of course, these products are digital. Now, you'll be thinking, hey, Victor, why are they not selling physical products in it? Amazon is already there. So you can, Amazon sells physical product, Walmart sells physical product, you know, all the other stores, superstores, all of them, they sell physical product, right? Now, the reason why we don't focus on physical product, it takes a lot of, when it comes to physical products, it takes a lot of advertisement, right? And then secondly, the commissions being paid is so low, right? So you want to make little efforts and make more money. That's what it's all about, right? You don't want to make a lot of effort and make little money. And you don't want to spend a lot of money so that you can test things as you go along, right? So there's no way you can have an online store that has physical product that you're not going to spend thousands of dollars, right? So, and when it comes to, because of that, you want something that it makes it difficult for everybody to have their own online store, right? But imagine $7. $7, that's a cup of coffee, so everybody can afford to get $7 and just get an online store. Now, it's digital because it's easier, right? With digital products, you don't need to ship anything. You don't need to manufacture anything. You don't need to, you know, even call anybody. Once they go on your store and buy anything, immediately you just make money. You know, it's so quick, easy, right? And that's the fun in it, right? The fact you could just, you know, somebody can just come on your online store, pick a product, take it away, and you just make money. You don't even have to know who the person is. You don't even have to see the person. You know, it's just lovely, right? So that's what the MegaLink online store gives you, right? All the products are already done for you. So you don't have to buy any product. You don't have to, you know, manufacture, create, whatever. You don't need that, right? Then you don't have to recruit anybody. You don't have to sell any of the product because it's automated, right? So that means the selling is automatic. The everything is just done for you. And that's why I love it. And that's why within a short time, I've made over $10,000 because it just makes sense, right? It just makes sense. Now, so how do you get your own online store for just $7, one-time payment? It's so simple. You just go to my link, go to the link in the description above there, put in your name and email. That is what happens with the online store system. Why I love it so much, right? Because all you need to do is to share that link, just that link. That link is simple. It's called a mega link, right? Now, once you share the link, and somebody comes to your website and then they want to check the product on your online store. They need to put in their name and email. Once they put in their name and email, the system takes over, right? Automated. It follows up with you. It sends them email, invites them to webinars, invites them to training, and starts selling the products to them. And then you just start making money. I love something as simple as that, right? Now let's talk about the products, okay? What are the products in your online store? Now, the products are already done for you, so you don't have to create any product of your own. Now, what are the products? So you have softwares. They are mostly softwares, all right? Software sells a lot, right? You have softwares that does so many things. Autoresponder, website builder, create images, softwares that... So many. I don't want to go through all those things, right? You have apps, right? You have apps that work to help you market your business. It's crazy. But the beautiful thing is that in the back end, they have all these high ticket coaching programs. Digital high-ticket coaching programs in the back end where you could now earn high-ticket commissions of $500 per sale, $1,000 per sale, or even $2,600 per sale without you lifting a finger to do any of the selling. Is that not crazy? This is amazing, right? So you can see why within a short time I was able to make some good amount of money just sharing my mega link, right? Now, the question comes in from so many people, how do you share your mega link, right? Now, I'm going to make it so simple so that you get it. So, what you do is what we call copy and paste. So you want to copy and post free ads on social media. Now, when you join the mega link and get your own online store, they are going to give you some training on how to promote it on Facebook and other sites. They're also going to give you some materials. Now, that is where the copy and paste come in. So all you need to do, download those materials, copy them, then paste them on social media. Paste them on your Facebook profile, paste them on Instagram. Also, go to different Facebook groups and just copy and paste those images, ad, whatever, reels, whatever they give you, and use that to get people to come to your online store. Can you see how simple it is? All free. You just post images or ads on Facebook or Facebook groups, Instagram, and just attract more people, right? It's crazy. And then as they go to your online store and put in their name and email, the system follows up for you. Keep reminding them about your online store, invite them to webinars, invite them to training. And as they start buying those products on your online store, from low tickets to high ticket, you start making some good amount of money online. All right, so I'm going to stop here, right? So like I said, if you want to have your own online store, it's just $7, right? So just go to the link in the description above or in my profile. Click that link, put in your name and your email, and then pay your $7. It's just as simple as that. And you will get your own online store. Now, if you have questions, which I don't know why, but let's assume you have questions, you can always privately DM me. And if you like this kind of information, click the like button. Also click the share button. You want more people around the world to know that they too can have their own online store business for just $7. All right, with that, I'll see you again. Take care. Bye.